we are going to demonstrate how to make seasoned rice vinegar for making sushi rice, known as Sushi-zu. To make this, we will bring rice vinegar with kelp added to a boil, then add sugar, salt, and mix until dissolved, then allowed to cool before use. The portions of the ingredients we will use are 250 milliliters rice vinegar, 180 grams of sugar, 45 grams of salt, and roughly a 2-inch by 2-inch section of dry kelp. Now, our first step in making the Sushi-zu is to bring our 250 milliliters of rice vinegar with our kelp to a boil. Once this reaches a boil, we'll add our sugar and salt, mix until it dissolves, and then we'll set it aside to cool. Now that the rice vinegar has reached a boil, we're going to add the sugar and salt and mix until dissolved. Once the sugar and salt dissolves, we're going to set this aside and allow it to cool. And once it cools, before storing it, we're going to remove the kelp.